Good evening. So I've had 5 foxes off this ground in the last 2 weeks, a double and then a treble, and thought I'd probably thinned them out quite a bit, and I set up a trail cam just to make sure, and lo and behold, I've got a fox still kicking about here. I guess they'll just keep coming. So I saw it the other night and it wouldn't stop, so I brought out the southern fried chicken mini fillets on the track it uses, and I've got a good observation post. So I'll be out tonight with the Infiray TL35 tube and the Gryphon GH35, and see if I can get this last Charlie under control. So wish me luck, and I'll see you later. Cheers. It's an absolutely beautiful night on dusk. I'm in early because I'm finding the foxes are moving early just now, and I've got the HikMicro GH35 Gryphon from Scott Country, and I pick up this fox. It's a minimum of 250 yards away. It's just mooching about in the long grass. I went into 2 times mag, and again the clarity through the eyepiece is fantastic, clearly identifying the fox, which turned out later to be a vixen. You can see the clarity of the trees in the background and everything, terrific. And I'll tell you what, it eases off my eye strain because the picture's so good. So here's this vixen making its way along to the chicken nuggets, and the shot was well placed on the shoulder, and it verified that once I picked it up, which was very good, very nice. If you know, you know. And here's the Gryphon GH35 from HikMicro from Scott Country. Terrific.